Right, today we have this strip thread in this engine block head. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a helicoil in it. We've got a strip and we've got a broken bolt in here that we have to get out, snapped off. So first of all, what we're going to do is, we've got the bolt here. So, make sure you get it right. Make sure it's 100% right first. Now, I've got my helicoil kit. Helicoil kit over here. And what we're going to do is we've got to measure it. What size? So, might be a little bit big that way. No, that's perfect. So we've got a helicoil kit. So we've got a helicoil here. Sit that over there. And we've got our bolt. Got plenty of them. So in the kit you get a drill bit, which you're going to need. Right, to this. Let's put the tap in there. Put some lube on it. You're not supposed to use the drill to put these in. Now what I always do is always put some Loctite around the edges of it. And what you got to do is you got to get your helicoil, set it up right. Bloody just bumped the camera. Hope you can see that. Yep. Always take the thread down right past the lip of it, just so it can't get itself ripped out. Alright, so now we've got the end in there. Put that back in our toolkit. Now what you need to do is we need to get this. We need to smack this or push it. That's it, and broke it off in there. Yep, beautiful. Alright, put that back in our kit. Here's our bolt. Good as here. There's the thread in there. Not damaged at all. Let me just show you. Hopefully you can catch that thread properly. That's a helicoil. That's a good permanent repair of that. Right, now let's move on to this. We've already fixed this, so this is good. have to be all cleaned up, and I will have to clean this out and run that down a bit. Alright, so let's move on to the broke. Alright, I've got myself a drill bit. I should hit this first with a hammer and centre this so the drill bit doesn't want to slip off with a centre punch. The drill bit's a little bit blunt. And when you drill these, take your time too, don't go rushing. Because if you, the reason why I say take your time, don't go rushing, make sure you use that centre punch is because if you go off the side of here, you're going to drill into here, into the side of the cast, and the hole's going to be crooked. So what I'm saying is, if you drilled this out, you could end up drilling it out over here, and it's not in the centre. That's why you want to use them centre punches, so you keep it straight. You keep your drill straight up too, so level. And just go slow and keep checking your hole. That crap. Oh, silicon. Right. And you probably shouldn't use your finger either. You just get them metal shavings. Drill that completely through. And what we're going to do is, as you can see, it's gone through the bottom here. Just stand up so you can see. Got it through there. Now we need to get if I've got a new helicoil small enough. Yep, I do. Got one. So what I do is drill that hole here, big enough for the helicoil. So your helicoil comes with specific drill bits and a specific tap for that size. So what we've got to do is use this drill bit to drill that hole out. Probably should get some oil instead of this WD-40. That's it. Pull it out. Good. Oh, you're not going to believe it. I just broke my bloody drill bit. From drilling into that broken bolt. Bloody oath. Me good drill bit. Right. Here's our tap. Because these bolts, what we got here, they're hard and that's why they break. Let's put our tap in there. And we'll just put a little bit of spray in there. Alright, that's it. Got our thread in there. Our thread's good. That thread. Because it's aluminium, it's soft. The camera's picking up that thread or not properly. step with a helicoil. Don't forget to put your Loctite on there. Make sure you put your helicoil in down properly before you break it off. That way it will prevent it from getting ripped out. You want to make it sure it's down in the thread properly, so it's not poking out. Get the tool to break off that little bit to lock it in. It's got it. Right, now, our bolt. Back out. That's it, done. Alright, fix the threads. Done this one here. This one. And set that on the kit, and that's the helicoil kits. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and have a great day.